Good morning, you guys. It is Monday. What day is it, babe? The 4th? The 5th? The 6th. It is
5th.
The Super Bowl day. That is why we have a down day. So CJ and I aren't working, but we took Mariah to her daycare anyways, so we could have an adult day. I also weighed myself yesterday, as you guys have seen previously before this clip, and I am officially down 15 pounds, and you guys, I can feel it. I can see it during my workouts. It's a big deal. I'm officially doing this thing, and my before and after pics, I'll either have them right here, or you guys would have already seen them already, but this is officially happening. So today, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. I just had a big bottle of water, and I'm about to do my 45-minute workout. And since I've started the 6-week program, the workouts have been really intense, and they've been a lot longer. So before I would always only do 20-25 minutes, but now I'm doing 45, and it's nonstop. So but yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'll also take you through what I'm eating today, and then we're also going grocery shopping later. And we're going out to lunch. So I'll kind of let you see what I eat when we go out for lunch, let you see what we pick up when we go grocery shopping, and yeah, so let's just get on with the video. So while we're here, I decided to give you a sneak peek into the Nike Training Club app. So this is my workout today. It's called Peaks and Valleys. Obviously that sounds horrible. 45 minutes, moderate intensity, intermediate level. So you can click view workout. Then it takes you to it. You have to download it, but it usually goes super quickly, less than a minute. Yeah, you see it going. Tells you if you need any equipment. I chose no equipment on all my workouts. And then you see all the movements right here. And look how long this thing is. Yep. But it shows you the movement. You can click on it, and then it'll show you an actual demonstration. And when you're doing the workout, it shows this the entire time and the countdown. So it's very easy to use, very user-friendly. So you can see Monday is endurance. So that's today. I have a rest day tomorrow. There's also numbers on the side that corresponds with the actual date on the calendar. Very easy to stay on track. So Wednesday I have mobility, lunges, and lengths. Thursday's recovery day, and then Friday and Saturday workouts back to back. Okay, you guys, so I just got done filming my 1-month keto video, and I'm feeling kind of hungry now and really hot. I think the sweater I'm wearing is too much, but we're just gonna get ready to leave the house, and we'll go and get lunch. Then we shall go grocery shopping. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of what we got because we are like mid putting everything away. Got some lemon green tea, some caffeine-free lemon and ginger tea. Oh, babe, we got one caramelized onion pork sausage. Could be good. And then we got one apple sausage which is our favorite. So yummy. Picked up some diced beef steak. Picked up some minced beef. Got some pepperoni. I've been snacking on this in the afternoon with some almonds. It's cheese. Picked up some more olive oil. Got a couple of things of Brussels sprouts, our favorite. We picked up like 3 of these cauliflower rices. There's 2 sachets in each big bag, and CJ and I can like split a sachet. So these are really nice to have. And then we haven't had broccoli for a while, so we picked up like 3 things of broccoli. We picked up more asparagus, some green onions, some zucchini, and some chicken thighs. And that's it. Okay, you guys, so here is dinner. Roasted Brussels sprouts, half an avocado, like the breast, and a little wing of the rotisserie chicken. And then we also have breakfast for tomorrow prepared. This is scrambled eggs with some cheddar cheese, spinach, Jimmy Dean sausage, and mushroom. Okay, you guys, so I'm ending the video here. Not much food ate today, but that's just because I haven't been hungry, and that is starting to become a normal occurrence with keto. This foundation looks really nice. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit different today. Not too chatty, but that's just because I chatted about everything in my 1-month keto video. So if you haven't seen that, I shall put it up here, so go check it out because I'm definitely super informative, very open about my experience with keto in that video. So I'm signing off. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.